Hey guys, what's happening? How to check someone's location on iPhone. To check someone's location on an iPhone, you must have their explicit permission. The primary method is through Apple's built-in Find My app. So just swipe down and just type Find My, right? And all you gotta do is just see the location of your people, basically, right? Of the individual. The Find My app allows you to see the real-time location of friends or family who have chosen to share it with you. Okay, open Find My app and tap the people at the bottom left and select person's name to see them on the map. So let's say, right, it says may not be using Find My. Let me, right, let's say 16-year-old. I'm gonna hit send, right, and I could share for 1 hour, right? And now I started sharing my location with my siblings or my friend. Okay, if they aren't sharing yet, tap the people tab, select the contact, and tap ask to follow location, right? So ask to follow location by clicking their contact, right? The blue highlighted button, and you can set alerts to be notified when person arrives at or leaves a specific location, like home or school, right? So basically that's it. Important considerations here is consent. It is generally not possible to track an adult's iPhone without their knowledge or consent. To check if you are being tracked, go to the Find My app and tab Me to see who can view your location, right? So lastly, for users with an iPhone 15 or newer, you can use precision finding to find friends' exact location when you are nearby. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.